Welcome to Luxembourg. Hello, good morning. Good morning, Brussels, Brussels, and mabuhay Philippines. Yes, May 15. Gagala ako today. Pupunta kami nila Venice at Perla sa Luxembourg. So sasama ako sa group tour. Nagbook ako sa Get Your Guide. 66 euro. 12 hours. So okay na. At least naikot ko naman na din kahapon yung Bruxelles. But babalik ako sa gallery. Gusto ko kumain ng waffle. Waffle ba? Yes, waffle. So mamaya na. Then, gusto ko rin mag-try ng gelato. Beer, no. Pero magdi-dinner ako mamaya. Pag maaga kami makarating mga 8 ng gabi, so may time pa ako gumala mga 2 oras. Sana mas maaga. So, see you sa Luxembourg. Maghanap lang ako ng coffee shop. Hindi pa ako nakapag-almusal. Sa ngayon, papunta na muna ako sa meeting point namin dun sa pinuntahan ko kahapon. So, alam ko naman na yung dinadaanan ko. Madali lang. But bumaba ako sa apartment 7. Ang departure namin 8:30. Kasi dahan-dahan ako maglakad tapos breakfast muna ako pag may makita akong open na coffee shop. Then bibili ng tubig na babaunin ko. So meron akong bibingka, 2 puto at 2 bananas. Yung bibingka, kasaba cake. Tapos puto biganyaya at dalma. So, maghanap na muna ako ng coffee shop. Pakita ko to ha. Ang ganda. You see? Patria. Wow, ang ganda. Ganda ng view. Sobrang ganda. Wow. Medyo makulimlim ang panahon. Siguro mga ano to sa baba, mga shop. Ganda oh. Tsaka ang Bruxelles medyo malinis compared sa Paris, Rome. Sa mga capital ang Rome sobrang dumi. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Totoo. But I love Rome. Ang ganda, oh wow. Ang ganda ng mga building dito sa Bruxelles. Brussels. Wow. Beautiful. So, papunta ako dito. So, hindi ko na nga ginamit yung in-screenshot ko na nakuha ko sa Google Map. Kasi medyo nakandaan ko na. Medyo naloka lang ako at hindi ako makamove on sa binayad ko sa taxi. Ko daw ako kahapon. Ay, nung nakarang araw. Nandun yung Grand Palace. So, malapit lang. Wow. So, dito ako dadaan. Dito ba? Ang ganda pala dito. See guys, nakikita niyo yung dinadaan. Oh yes. Dito ako. Babus muna. Mga amigos. Wow. Ayan guys, so kahapon hindi na ako nakapunta dito kasi close. Sobrang ganda oh. Wow. Upo-upo na muna ako sa park.
To our driver is not only very handsome, he's also very experienced. Be kind to him because your life's depending on him. So give him an applause. Philip. And he speaks very well English.
Excited na ako going to
Without an accent.
Another country.
My name is Jan. I'll be your guide for today. The meteo is, I'm sad to say, but that's what we're gonna get. Probably a little bit better
So
in
dito yung
Luxembourg,
meeting
but it's
place
not very.
pag may
We're
mga
gonna be very bright anyway.
group tour.
But okay, we don't need that heat. You know, we have to keep the head cool. In the south, we have Wallonia. This is what we're going to travel through today, and that is on the way to Luxembourg. And in the middle, we have the capital district of Brussels. We political power in Europe. The Austrians have been very good to Belgium. Because most of the occupying countries just were pillaging our financial situations and our intellectual population and elite, and they were not very concerned about our fortune. But the Austrians did. There's several galleries for art and shopping malls that go back to the 19th century. Some of them, yeah. The palaces we see right in front of us. This is the palaces of the Austrian government in 18th century. On the left side here is this very curious building. This is the Museum of Musical Instruments. It's crammed with musical instruments. It's very interesting and it's a very remarkable building. The architect was Saint-Benoît. He was well, he was actually not an architect. He was an artist, but he was really a partisan of the art deco in the 19th century, in the end of the 19th century. Of one, it's a certain architect you will know for certain is the Brussels architect called Victor Horta. All these palaces go back to second half of 18th century. Goldenberg Palace. It's all used by the government for this. Oh, right in the back we have the museum of René Magritte, the most famous surrealist painter of Belgium. There is a museum right there at the
garden.
This is the Royal Palace on your right side. They cleaned it up a couple of years ago. They even finished it last year. That's why it looks so bright and shiny. With the garden well cut, the lawn mown and everything. It's really neat. But it is not the residential palace of our king. It is his working place. It's his office. It's the official palace where they have reception of heads of states and diplomats whenever the occasion arises. Also in front is a palace that goes back to the
Yes. Welcome to Luxembourg. Wow. So guys, nandito na kami. We're going now sa center to explore Luxembourg. Wow. Nandito yung yung free ang transportation. lumabas ang araw. Oh, ang ganda ng bulaklak, oh. Wow. Oh my God, ang ganda ng bahay. Wow. Yes, finally. Naka 25 countries na ako. Wow. Ang ganda ng mga housing. Wow. Ang ganda. Wow. Ang ganda ng basurahan, oh. Ang ganda. Tapos ang linis. Wow. Yung waiting area nila, oh. Para kumuha ng bus. Nandun yung drum. Oh my God. Ganda. Sana one day makalipat kami dito. Very safe and rich. Count ang lalaki doon ng mga sahod dito. Winner, ang ganda, oh. Wow, ang ganda ng drum. Wow. See? Wow. Ang ganda ng mga ano, bahay. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng mga bahay, oh. Wow. Wow. Parang nasa castle. Ang ganda. This is park. Royal Hamelios.